Alright, what's up guys? I just wanted to make a quick video on how to change the purge valve solenoid. It was a little aggravating because nobody had a video for the 2.4 liter, the ECOTEC. Anyways, you want to take this cover off. You got to take the oil cap off, and then after you take that, it should raise, and then whenever you raise it up, you want to push it back a little bit and it'll come off that notch right there. And then there's one back here. I didn't really fool with it because I mean it was out of the way just fine, but there's a notch back there. Just be careful not to break it. And got me a little bit of room, and that's the location of it, by the way. But anyways, got me a little bit of room, and I took this little connector for the vacuum off. But you got a little, let's see, got a little tab right here. You got to press that tab down. Ooh. Press that tab down. You see how I press it down, and then move it like that, and then pop it off, and it should, like that right there, and it should slide right off. Anyways, but that one, and then I took this little wire harness right here off on the bottom, and then after I took both of those off, this one was a little bit of a bitch right here, but I don't know if you can see it, but the bracket, there's the bolt right there. It's a 13 millimeter. You need a 13 millimeter socket with a ratchet and extension. Take that sucker off, and it makes it a little bit more accessible. But on this piece, let's see if I can get that. You see that little white clip? You can see it right there. What you gotta do with that one is I just took a little small flathead and I pried it right in between there, and I pulled it kind of back towards me and unclipped that one. Then I did it on the opposite side, and then that little piece just slid right out from the bottom. And after that came off, put the new one back on, and that's pretty much it, man. But the best way to know if yours is bad, if you're not sure, you shouldn't be able to blow through it. And here's the old one, but as you can see, you can hear it plain as day in the video probably. It's blowing through, so it ain't no good, but it needs to change. I need to change it anyway, so hope this helps y'all out.